What is up, everyone? Welcome to Chicago. We're just cruising the city right now. I'm gonna hunt down some good gluten-free eats for today's video. Oh, there you go. Perfect timing. Wow. Nothing like the sound. All right, so let's see what we find today. All right, so we're gonna go to this place, Goddess and the Baker. It's right here at the corner of one of the buildings. You can find the little cart here. Let's see what they got. All right, the place is actually really cool. They've got lots of gluten-free options in there. So it's pretty much a little coffee shop. Let's go through the menu here. Nicole got a sandwich, so we did the gluten-free bread. My fried chicken one is not gluten-free, but sounded delicious. We're just sitting outside. All right, I went with a harissable, fried chicken, couscous. Nicole went with a clubby on gluten-free. That looks delicious. All right. All right, guys, that place actually was really delicious. Mine was not gluten-free, so don't get faked. I wasn't paying attention today, but it was still delicious. How was your sandwich? Is it good?
Great, yeah.
All right, cool. We're going to sightsee some more. By the way, the weather's perfect today. We lucked out again. And walking around here, I definitely would not say this city is at all, from what we've seen, dangerous anyway, even though I know there are pockets of it here. It's beautiful out.